So 1 through 12, all the same type problems. So remember, we're setting up is over of equals percent over 100. All right. So we go into our sentence. All right. Remember, we're looking for the percent sign, this little thing here. And if it's not there, then we're probably looking for the percent. So in number 1, what percent? That's exactly what we're looking for. What percent? And then that divides our sentence out. 61 is, and then of 125.6. So we fill in our formula based on that. So the is 61. The of is 125.6. The percent, that's the what. That's what I don't know, so I'm going to put the x there over 100. Okay.
It's a little blurry.
Oh, I guess. All right. So this is the one we did that, remember, 61 times 100, and then you divide it by this number here. All right, so you would do 61 times 100. Divided by 125.6.
125.6. 48.56.
48.566, 879, so 57.
Yep.
And don't worry too much about the rounding. If it's multiple choice, it's going to be, they're not going to put 48.56 and 48.57 and go, ha, you rounded wrong, you got it wrong. They're not going to do that to you. It's going to be clear for the answers. Okay? So 1 through 12 is all this setup. Okay? When you get to 13, notice what changes now is on 13 it says, oh, look, there's a percent given to me, 14%. So I know the percent now. This is getting blurry. Kind of going back forward. One's getting blurry and one's clear. All right, so that's 14%. Now, what is? That's what I'm looking for now, the is part. And then of 144. So now I look at this and I go is over of equals percent over 100. Is, that's the what part, so that's where the x goes now. Of 144, so 144 goes where of is. Percent, that's 14 over 100. And now again you cross multiply. 144 times 14. I believe you can. Yep. And then divide by 100. Okay. So now 13 through, oh, I'll put me back on that. 13 through 24, that's all the same type problem there. Okay, 13 through 24. Okay, roll the dice here. I'm going to try my last one before I turn this video off. All right, so then when you get to 25, now notice that, again, these are what is, or is what is. The is still the what part, that's the part you're missing. So 13 through 24, all like that. Then you hit 25, and now notice of what? 26, of what, of what, of what, of what, of what. And so now these are all the what part missing. All right? So let's go to 25, and we're looking at 78% of what is 153. Right, so now the what is missing. So again, still is over of equals percent over 100. Is 153. Of is x. Percent is 78 over 100. So now I'm going to do the 153 times 100.
15,300.
Mm-hmm. And then divide that by 78.
196. Or, da.
196.15. So 2 decimal places. So each of those will follow. So 25 through 36 will follow that pattern where the X is in the bottom left. Okay, so I'm going to leave these with you to do the is over of part so you really get the idea of cross multiplying. Really nail that down because I think it's a really difficult concept.
Just back and forth.
Right, and then we'll see it at work in a problem when we get to the actual test. Hey, look, here's the is over of buried in a word problem, but look right here. It says what percent, and it says is 17, and of. You'll see that stuff start popping up. All right.
It all come together.
So that video is stopping, and please work. That would help you out a lot. I forgot. What's your name?
Who's talking to you?
What's your name? Lucy. Abigail. Marley. Pickles. Is it Pickles?
It's Marley.
Is Marley?
Yeah. Marley Bob.
That's the answer key.
Okay.
All right.
I will leave it.
I'm gonna put it on the back of it. So you can see it. All right. That way you know. Get on you like, I don't know if I'm doing it right or not.
All right.
Like an answer key, it's right.
Okay.
All right, I'm giving Daddy homework, okay? Can you make sure he does his homework?
You can talk to him.
Can you make sure he does his homework for me? Tell him if he doesn't, you're going to have to take away his electronics, okay? Tell him no cell phone for a week if he didn't do his homework.
I'd be lost without it. Especially with the calculator up there.
It still says stop, and it may not work the video, I don't. But you got some examples there. I don't know. This is frustrating. I just restarted my computer and everything, so it shouldn't be. We'll see.